Welcome to a minute of Meerkat magic, where the wild savanna meets your screen. As members of the mongoose family, these creatures are native to parts of South Africa. They thrive in groups called clans, mobs, or gangs, and can number up to 50 members. A meerkat's diet? Insects, lizards, birds, and fruit. Their sharp claws and long, slender body make them apt for digging and living in burrows. Did you know meerkats have a built-in solar panel? Their bellies. They bask in the sun to warm up belly first. One more fact for the road, their dark eye patches, not just for style. They protect against the harsh African sun. Join us again for another minute of wildlife wonder. Until then, keep exploring.